Hello guys. So let's start with Anil Ambani, who had recently been in news headlines because of their company's loan default. So when Anil Ambani defaulting their bank loans, court told him to deposit $716 million to court, on which he said he is bankrupt, his net worth is zero, and he don't have any holdings in any companies. And by saying this, he didn't deposit anything. But after Pandora paper leak, this thing came to light that he has investment of $1.3 billion. And not only Ambani's, some of well-known personalities like Russian President Vladimir Putin, Colombian singer Shakira like names are also in Pandora paper leak. So now the question is, what is Pandora paper leak? What Pandora paper is all about? And how Pandora paper leak came into light and who did it? So get ready with a popcorn to know the secrets of Pandora paper. The word Pandora has come from Pandora's box, from Greek mythology, which means a source of unforeseen trouble. And this paper could create unforeseen problems for who has name on it. That's why this paper named as Pandora paper. Pandora paper leak is all about financial leak. You guys must have heard that Pandora paper leak is the biggest financial leak. But we will tell you that why it is the biggest and how actually big it is. So the financial leak we are going to talk about, it's not a worth of million, not even a worth of billion. It could be a worth of $33 trillion, which is far more than a GDP of USA. Once a child asked his elder brother that how much is 2 plus 2. His brother said 4. Then that child went to an engineer and asked that how much is 2 plus 2. That engineer said obviously 4. Then that child went to a CA and asked that how much is 2 plus 2. That CA said how much do you want? That's why people say that CA are the ones who are very good at playing with numbers. So this financial leak is about how the persons like world leaders, politicians, business tycoon manage their money to reduce the taxes. Now whenever we talk about reducing taxes, there are two things which comes into our mind. First, reducing taxes by finding loophole in tax system, which you might have heard of how Amazon and Facebook found a loophole in tax system and didn't pay not even a single dollar as a tax. And the second, reducing taxes by doing something illegal. Now there are many ways to avoid your taxes legally and illegally. But today we will talk about new thing which is given in Pandora paper, and that is offshore company and trust. Offshore means outside the country. So if anyone opens a company outside the country where he lives, that company is an offshore company. For example, if you live in US and you open a company in Bermuda, then the company which you opened in Bermuda will become an offshore company. Now there are many small countries in the world who don't have any kind of source of income, neither through any natural resources nor through tourism. So such small countries, they keep their corporate tax very low and make such laws that it becomes nearly impossible to find out the real owner of company. And these are the things which attract the attention of all the wealthiest person of the world. For a wealthy person, this kind of a country is not less than any heaven. That's why this kind of country also known as tax haven countries. Some of popular countries are Cayman Island, British Virgin Island, Bermuda, Panama, Monaco, Antigua, Switzerland and Singapore, where super rich people transfer their funds by legally or illegally. Now, here comes our next question, that how Pandora paper leak came into light and who did it. So ICIJ, International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, basically the international organization of media group, which is situated in Washington DC. They got the data of 29,000 offshore companies of 14 firms. The size of data was 3 terabyte, 3072 GB, which consists of 11.9 million files, 6.4 million documents, 100,000 images, and 1.2 million emails. And figuring out such a big data is not a small thing. So that's why ICIJ invited more than 600 journalists from 117 countries, and it took 2 years to figure out all the data and made a final report. And according to reports, there are names of many world leaders, business tycoon, celebrities, sportsperson, rock star, government officials, judges, mayors, military generals of various countries. And some of well-known personalities are Russian President Vladimir Putin, former British Prime Minister Tony Blair, Colombian singer Shakira, King of Jordan King Abdullah II, Prime Minister of Czech Republic Andres Babis, President of Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta. Some of the biggest media channels of the world like BBC, The Washington Post, The Guardian, and Indian Express contributed their work in ICIJ. And according to report in India, there are more than 380 people whose names are in Pandora paper. And some of well-known personalities are Anil Ambani, Sachin Tendulkar, Jackie Shroff, and Vinod Adani. And in Pakistan, more than 700 people named in Pandora paper.